Hey, Grego's here. How you doing? What do we got here? Miss Peaches. Looking good there, looking good. So it was time to get this epoxied. So we got quite a bit of prep work done today. We had to do some bit of filling here and there, a couple of dents we had to pull out. We had to sand it all, especially the inside, so that was all scuffed, and now everything's coated in the PR250, which is the epoxy that we use. It's fantastic stuff. So it's looking very straight. I got a couple of daggy edges here and there that I need to clean up, so it's not 100% paint ready or anything like that, but it's the bulk is done. Like, look at that roof now. It's just, that was a right mess, and now it's looking bloody good. So its shape is quite nice, and yeah, so we've just got to work on we've still got to pull out the indicators there, and there's a couple of spots on the floor. We just sort of ran out of time, so I thought I'd epoxied it and they can be welded up, and a little bit in here. So, but overall it's pretty good. It's all solid. All the sills sorted, and the dog legs. So what was I gonna do? Oh, yeah, I'll take that mirror off. Yeah, all rust treated in there. That needs to be a bit of seam sealer here and there, but overall most of the prep's done, and it's, yeah, so all the opening panels are already in epoxy, so that's exciting. So we can run around now, do a bit of seam sealer, a little bit of filler here and there, like tiny spots there, because you want to get in all these gaps under there all sealed, and then that can be scuffed, and then put a few coats of the next lot of primer on. And that means after that next lot of primer, it's after that's sanded, then it's ready for finish coat. And it's very exciting to see the difference from this old yellow color to ooh! Yeah, so that's just a little hint. It's going to be fantastic. Anyway, enough chit chat. So in a case of when it's not a full restoration, these areas down here that you see a little bit of, I get my little finishing gun out, what do you call it? A little touch-up gun, and just blow a bit of colour on there, and that's enough. So, because this is, after all, a lower budget job, just showing you the alternative compared to the full normal strip down that we do. So still a lot of prep's gone into it. Yeah, a lot of welding. There's only an hour or so left. So yeah, that's the update, and I hope you're all having a good isolation, or if you're keeping the country afloat with your work, keep to it. Easter's coming up, but I don't think it's going to really feel like Easter. I just think too much has changed. Gee, wouldn't that be good if we had this done by Easter? Like, wouldn't it be good on Easter Sunday, I come down and then like spray some top coat on there? How good would that be? the bunny will be hopping. Anyway, that's all for now, and I hope you're well. Bye.